Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my online classes. This is Om Maths Corner. Algebraic expressions, this is the name of the chapter. Today we are going to discuss the questions of exercise 12.3. The topic, finding the value of an expression. This is the topic of the day. So let us start now. Question number 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of part number 1 m minus 2. Here we put the value m is equal to 2 in place of m. So 2 minus 2, answer is 0. Second part, 3m minus 5. We put 3 into m is equal to 2 minus 5. So this is equal to 3 into 2 is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Part number 3, 9 minus 5m. So here 9 minus 5 into m is 2. 9 minus 5 into 2, 10. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Part number 4, 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So this is equal to 3, m mean 2, 2 square minus 2 into m is 2 minus 7 equal to 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 7. 3 into 4, 12 minus 4 minus 7. 12 minus 4, 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, 1. Part number 5, 5m upon 2 minus 4. This is equal to 5 into m is 2 divide 2 minus 4 equal to 2 to cancel, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Now we have question number 2. Here in place of m, p is the variable. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of first part 4p plus 7 equal to 4 into minus 2 plus 7. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 7. Answer is minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. Second part, minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7 equal to minus 3. P mean minus 2 square plus 4. P mean minus 2 plus 7. So this is equal to minus 3. Minus 2 whole square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 7 equal to minus 3 into 4 minus 12 plus 8 plus 7. This is minus 8 minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus 7 equal to minus 20 plus 7 minus 13. Now third part, minus 2pq minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So here this is equal to minus 2. P mean minus 2 power 3 minus 3. P mean minus 2 power 2 plus 4. P mean minus 2 plus 7. So this becomes minus 2. Minus 2 raised to power 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That is minus 8. Minus 3 into minus 2 square. I want to explain here. Minus 2 raised to power 3. It means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So multiplying, minus is multiplied 3 times. So final is minus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, so this was minus 8. Similarly, minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 into minus 2. Minus is multiplied 2 times, so plus 2 into 2, 4. So this way we can find the values, right? So this is plus 4. Here plus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 7. Now minus 2 into minus 8, minus minus plus 16. 3 into 4, this is minus 12, minus 8 plus 7. Now we add the plus terms, that is 16 plus 7, minus we add the minus terms, 12 plus 8, right? So this is equal to 23 minus 20. So answer is 3. Question number 3. Find the value of the following expression when x is equal to minus 1. So here 2x minus 7, this is the first part. So we have 2 into x is minus 1 minus 7. That means minus 2 minus 7. Answer is minus 9. Second part, minus x plus 2. So minus, in place of x we put minus 1 plus 2. This becomes minus into minus plus 1 plus 2. So this is 3. Next is x square plus 2x plus 1. So we have x square mean minus 1 square plus 2. X mean minus 1 plus 1. This is minus 1 whole square. Again here minus 1 square mean minus 1 into minus 1. Minus is multiplied 2 times. So plus 1 into 1 is 1. So this answer is 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1. So what is there? 1 plus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now 2x square minus x minus 2. Here we have 2 into minus 1 square minus x mean minus 1 minus 2. So this is 2 into 1 minus into minus plus 1 minus 2. So this is 2 plus 2 minus 2. This is plus 1. 2 minus 2, 0 plus 1. This is the final answer. Now next, question number 4. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, find the value of first part a square plus b square. So here a is 2 whole square plus b is minus 2 whole square. 2 square means 4 plus minus 2 whole square is also plus 4, because minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 into minus 2. Minus is multiplied 2 times, plus 2 into 2, 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Next, this is a square plus ab plus b square. So here a square, that is 2 square, plus a is 2, b is minus 2, plus b square, that is minus 2 square. So this becomes 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Finally we have 4 as the answer. Third part, a square minus b square. A is 2 square minus b is minus 2, its square. So 4 minus, this is also 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Question number 5. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1, find the value of the given expressions. First part, 2a plus 2b. This is 2. In place of a we put 0 plus 2. b is minus 1. So 2 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Second part, 2a square plus b square plus 1. Here 2 into a is 0 square plus b is minus 1 square plus 1. So 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1 plus 1. This is 2. Part number 3, 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. So this becomes 2. A means 0 square, b means minus 1 plus 2. A means 0, b means minus 1 whole square plus ab. A means 0, b is minus 1. So my dear students, 0 into something is 0 plus 0 into something is 0 plus 0 into something is 0. Finally, 0 plus 0 plus 0, final answer is also 0. Part number 4, a square plus ab plus 2. A is 0, its whole square, plus ab, 0 into b is minus 1 plus 2. So again this is 0, this is also 0. Lastly we have 2. So final answer is 2. Question number 6. Simplify the expressions and find the value if x is equal to 2. First part, x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. Here x plus 7, 4 into x is 4x, 4 into minus 5, 20, minus 20. Now adding like terms, x plus 4x plus 7 minus 20. Like terms are combined. X plus 4x is 5x. 7 minus 20 is minus 13. So this is the simplification of the expression. Now find the value of x if x is equal to 2. So now we put x is equal to 2. So 5 into 2 minus 13. So this becomes 10 minus 13. So final answer is minus 3. Second part, 3 into x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. So this becomes 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 2 6 plus 5x minus 7. Now 3x plus 5x is 8x, 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Now we put x is equal to 2. So 8 into x is 2 minus 1. So this becomes 16 minus 1, mean to say 15 is the answer. Part number 3, 6x into 5 plus x minus 2 is equal to 6x plus 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 2, minus 10, equal to 6x plus 5x is 11x minus 10. Now if we put x is equal to 2, then this becomes 11 into 2 minus 10, 22 minus 10, which is equal to 12. Part number 4, 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. 4 into 2x, 8x, minus 4 into 1, 4, plus 3x plus 11. So this becomes 8x plus 3x plus minus 4 plus 11, which is equal to 11x minus 4 plus 11 plus 7. So this is the final answer. Question number 7. Simplify these expressions and find their values if x is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. The first part is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. So this becomes 3x minus x is 2x, minus 5 plus 9 is 4. Now next we put x is equal to 3. So 2 into 3 plus 4. This becomes 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. This is the first part. Second part is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. So this is equal to 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 8x plus 4x is minus 4x. Now we put x is equal to 3. 6 minus 4 into 3. So this is equal to 6 minus 4 into 3 is 12. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Next part, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. So here 3a minus 8a is minus 5a. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now minus 5. A is minus 1 plus 6. So this becomes minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5 plus 6 is 11. Part number 4. 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. 10 minus 4 is 6 minus 3b minus 5b minus 8b. So this is 6 minus 8. B is minus 2. So this becomes 6 minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16, 22. Now next part, 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. So first of all, 2a plus a becomes a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. Now what is a? A is minus 1 minus 2. What is b? This is minus 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 2 becomes plus 4 minus 9. So here minus 1 minus 9, this is minus 10 plus 4. So finally minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. Question number 8, first part. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z power 3 minus 3 into z minus 10. So this becomes z power 3 minus 3z minus minus plus 30. Now we put z is equal to 10. So this becomes 10 raised to power 3 minus 3 into 10 plus 30. 10 raised to power 3 mean 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100 into 10, which is equal to 1000. So this becomes 1000. 3 into 10 is minus 30 plus 30. Minus 30 plus 30 cancelled. Only 1000 is left. So this is the answer. Now next question. Second part, question number 8. If p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. So here we put p is equal to minus 10. Minus 10 square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. Minus 10 square mean minus 10 into minus 10, which is 100. Minus 2 into minus 10 is plus 20 minus 100. 100 plus minus cancelled. We are left with 20 as the final answer. Question number 9. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is equal to 0? So here we put x is equal to 0. 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a equals to 5. So we have 0 plus 0 minus a equal to 5. So this is minus a equal to 5. Multiplying with minus both sides, this becomes minus minus a equal to minus 5. Minus minus plus a is equal to minus 5. This is the required value. Now we have the last question of the exercise. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. What is the expression? This is 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So first of all we simplify this. 2 into a square is 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. So we have 2a square. This is plus 2ab and this is minus ab. So answer is plus 1ab, that is ab. Lastly we have plus 3. Now what we do? We put a is equal to 5. So 2 into 5 square plus 5 into b is minus 3 plus 3. So this is equal to 2 into 5 whole square is 25. 5 into minus 3 is 15, minus 15 plus 3. So this becomes 2 into 25 is 50 minus 15 plus 3. So finally 50 minus 15 is equal to 35 plus 3, which is equal to 38. So this is the final answer to the question. That's all. Thank you very much.